¿Cómo estamos, San Luis?
¡Hagan ruido!
Esta noche estamos de fiesta. Bienvenidos a todos al Vida Taco Fest. Gracias, San Luis, por la invitación. Queremos que se hagan para adelante, que la fiesta apenas va a comenzar. La cartelera de hoy está para una fiestota.
Ey.
Hey, how's it going? This is Michael, Love and Freedom. Hey, today we are over here in San Luis, Rio Colorado, Sonora, Mexico. We're attending the Taco Festival. They have multiple taco stands set up, and also they have a beer garden. So let's check this out.
Muy bien. Hola, ¿qué tal, mi gente? Pero muy buenas noches. ¿Cómo andamos? Bien.
That's it.
Qué envidia, ya miramos a toda la gente de ahí con cervecita. A ver si en un ratito más. Claro que sí, a degustar, hacer cosas de calidad correspondiente. Pues mi gente. Muy buenas noches, Carlos. Estar contigo aquí en el escenario. Muy buenas noches, mi gente.
Okay, right here at this location, this gentleman is selling barbecue ribs. We're going to venture out and try one of these pulled pork sandwiches. Well, we tried it. You might want to bring your own barbecue sauce. There's no flavor. I'm just keeping it 100 because I'm a rib type guy. Thank you. At this location, they had craft beer called Back to Cali.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got
Well, that's going to end it for tonight. I just thought we was going to enjoy some great waffles until they broke out the penis waffles. I appreciate you guys watching. Until the next one. Bye now. Peace. One love. I ain't gonna never be the same.